The words ballistic missile come to mind when I look at what's beside me today. It's fast, fun, and quite frankly, chaotically fantastical. Enter the Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive. You want to hear more about it? Let's go. I'm Abby, I'm brand director at Approved Automotive, which brings me on today why you should subscribe to our channel. We have two businesses. We have Approved Showroom. By the way, this car's for sale with us currently. Shameless plugging. And we also have Approved Detailing. By the way, if you buy this car, you could do full paint protection with us. But without further ado, if you like all things automotive, please subscribe to our channel. Now, back to the Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive. Let's start with the exterior. This particular example we're looking at today is finished in Giallo Bellinus, which you must see under the sun. Absolutely fantastical, deep metallic, which is just absolutely insane. I think under these lights will be very nice, but again, you need to see it under the sun. So according to Lamborghini though, the EVO rear-wheel drive in general is inspired by a shark, although to be honest, this one could be a bumblebee. And to be honest with you, yes, it's true. If you saw one of these in your rear view mirror, you would experience probably a similar emotion as if you were minding your own business in the sea and Jaws came up behind you. Carrying on to the interior with the look at me, I'm a Lamborghini vibe. You're going to see that the interior of this one is also finished in a mixture of Giallo and also a Nero as well. Now here in the Middle East, it's actually quite common to see the matching exterior and interior colour. So I wouldn't normally say in my head, I would imagine a yellow with yellow looks nice, but I think in this car perfectly suits. And also go wild, it's a Lamborghini. You have a lot of carbon as well, and also a really nice, quite big sized center control screen. And kind of signature Lamborghini Huracan, I was about to say, but I mean honeycomb, which also goes back to the bee theme of this car. I mean, it does have a sting. As for the power, this car has a 5.2 litre V10 naturally aspirated engine. You have up to 8,000 RPM, 640 CV as a max power, top speeds of 325 kilometers an hour, and you have 0 to 100 kilometers an hour in 2.9 seconds. You want to hear it? Let's go. Rocket launch. Guys, I have an idea. Let's do something. Let's play a game. You are calling. Oh.
Hello.
Barbie.
Yes.
Can you please come to the detailing facility? I just need your help with something quickly. Would you mind?
Coming.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
coming.
Okay, see you in a minute. Bye, bye. This car is the one for me, I'm telling you. Well, what a fighter jet with wheels. And I've actually got a little bit of a headache now, but you guys needed to hear that and I needed to see Barbie's reaction. I wish that we could measure heart rate when you hear that sound, because honestly, it is menacing. Marketing ploy. We've currently got around 150 cars for sale here at Approved Showroom, and as mentioned, most of those are available with the warranty as well. It's fast, it's scary, and it literally screams, look at me, get out the way, I'm a Lamborghini, move whilst I rampage past you. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Hello.
Hello, do you forgive us yet?
Sorry?
Do you forgive us yet?
I can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
I lost my hearing.